This is a look at the storm's impact elsewhere in our state. The North Carolina National Guard helped stranded drivers in McDowell County. They shared these pictures on social media of soldiers helping DOT plow crews and some folks who were on the roads at the wrong time.
And let's take a live look to King Street in downtown Boone. Look how picturesque that is. They got a lot of snow, but the roads are clear. They got 16 inches of snow. They were in the bullseye for the storm, reporting close to 2 feet in some of the areas there. And earlier today, cameras there caught Good Samaritans trying to push a stuck car out of the snow. They used shovels to dig out the tires, and after some hard work, you see it right there, they managed to get that car free.
Quite a team effort there, but the storm proved too powerful even for some of the snow plows near Asheville. Check out this overturned truck. While crews tried to clear the roads, more than 2,000 city trucks are clearing more than 5,000 miles of highways and roads in hazardous conditions there.
A lot of snow in the state of North Carolina, Wes.